You have the sun and you have the moon. Right there. The dinner plate, the round plate that we use for dinner, is influenced by the sun, because the ancient people, they used to, they correlated their civilization with nature, and a lot of the food came from sun. It was more vegetarian eating back then. And when you grow crops, the sun is what made your crops grow. They gave homage to the sun, and just how the brown plate is. And then you have the round plate, and then you have which is representative of the sun, and next to it you have the spoon, which is representative of the moon. Sun parallel to the moon. The spoon, that's why you always see the moon have that roundness as well, with the silver. The silver moon. The moon is correlated with silver, and even when we look at astrotheology and how the 30 pieces of silver that Judas supposedly betrayed Jesus was the 30 days of the moon, the 30 silver moon days in November. Then you have the fork. You have their representative of Isis, Horus, Aset, and I gotta see if it's Heru. Excuse me on that one, I have to do a correction. But the fork is also representative also of nature. Mayat, M-A-A-T is Mayat. The Meru Nature is the mother nature. Nature is a woman. Nature is a mother. And nature produces more mothers because it herself is a mother. That's why we always have more women than men. Women are the nurturers, the organizers of civilization, the first teachers. Women, you have to understand how your man is probably gonna have more than one woman sometime. That's kind of tough, but it's so many more women than it is men, and it always has been and always will be. But I hope you all have a great morning and a great, beautiful day. It is a beautiful morning. Maybe somebody's getting some brunch. Maybe somebody gonna have some good shrimp and grits, some waffles or something, chicken and waffles. Let me know what's a good spot. Or if you're cooking at home during the quarantine, whatever the case may be, y'all have a good day, wonderful day. Peace.